Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw organ systems. First, begin by sketching the basic outline of the human torso or the specific body region you're focusing on. Use light, simple shapes like ovals and rectangles to represent the general placement and size of major organs. This foundational step helps establish proportion and spatial relationships before adding intricate details. Think of it as building a framework for your anatomical drawing. Now, let's refine those basic shapes into recognizable organs. For instance, an oval might become a kidney, or a larger shape could evolve into the liver. Focus on adding the distinct contours and primary features of each organ. Don't forget to include major connecting structures, such as the aorta or vena cava, to show how systems interact. This stage brings your drawing to life with more precise anatomical forms. Next, we'll connect the individual organs to form complete systems. Think about how the digestive tract flows from the esophagus to the intestines, or how the circulatory system branches throughout the body. Draw the tubes, vessels, and nerves that link these components. This step is crucial for understanding the functional relationships and anatomical pathways within the human body. It truly brings the entire system together. Finally, let's add depth and clarity to your drawing. Use shading techniques to give your organs a three-dimensional appearance, indicating their curves and contours. Consider where your light source is coming from to apply shadows consistently. Once your drawing has depth, clearly label the major organs and any important structures. This final touch enhances understanding and makes your anatomical illustration both informative and visually appealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.